Need a break from Facebook without deleting your account? This updated 2026 guide shows you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook profile on Android, keeping your data safe while hiding your account until you're ready to return. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your Android phone and make sure you are logged into the account you want to deactivate. Step 2. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located in the top right corner of the screen to open the navigation menu. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the expanded options. Step 4. In the Settings page, tap See More in Account Center. This section contains all account management and privacy controls. Step 5. Under Account Settings, select Personal Details to access ownership and account control options. Step 6. Tap Account Ownership and Control, then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Step 7. If multiple profiles are linked to your Meta account, select the Facebook profile you want to deactivate. Step 8. Choose Deactivate Account and tap Continue to proceed. Step 9. For security reasons, Facebook will ask you to enter your password. Type your password and tap Continue. Step 10. Select a reason for leaving Facebook. After choosing an option, scroll down and tap Continue. Then follow the instruction to completely deactivate your Facebook account. Step 11. To keep your account deactivated until you manually return, open the Reactivate Your Account drop-down menu and select Don't Reactivate Automatically. Tap Continue. Step 12. Review the information about Messenger access, managed pages, and other connected services. Once you are ready, tap Deactivate My Account. Your Facebook account will now be deactivated. You can reactivate it at any time by simply logging back in with your email address or phone number and password.